Conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so good morning everyone. What is the last class we are discussing in Python? I hope we are working with some predefined functions, right? Am I correct? What we are discussing in the last class? I hope we done with the print function, we done with the type function, we done with the input function, and we done with the ID function. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in input function, we discussed about printing the full name. Okay, printing the full name kind of thing. And we done with the price calculator. Price calculator చెప్పుకున్నావా? Anybody please respond me. Price calculator.
Yes, sir.
Price calculator అయిపోయిందా? Okay,
No.
so let me go. Let me go. Okay, there is a product. Okay, there is a product price. Okay, enter product price. Enter product price. Enter product price. Okay, so then enter product GST. Enter product GST. Product GST. Enter product GST. So when you go to the shop, when you are purchasing the product, what are the different kind of things? Price is there, GST is there, some discount offer is there, some discount offer is there. So these kind of calculation you have to do with Python. And one more thing, product discount. So they are offering some discount for the product. Okay, so enter product. Okay, product discount. Okay, so finally we need to calculate the total price of the product. Total price of the product. Total price. How to calculate the total price? Anybody please respond with me. How to calculate total price here? Anybody? Govinda Babu, Jyotika, Rohit, Sampath, Sandeep, Sinduja. How to calculate total price of the product here?
Product price plus GST plus minus discount.
Exactly. So product price
Plus GST minus discount.
yes, product to GST. This is going to be adding. For price, GST is going to be adding. Then discount will be reduced. Minus product discount. See, whatever the variable you are creating here, please carefully, that's the same variable you need to give here. Discount. So this is the way of calculation. Let me enter some product price. Let me enter some GST value. Let me enter some discount. Execute the program. Connect to the cloud. Now some CPU and RAM allocated, some disk allocated. Now you enter it. Click on the play button. This is going to be giving some error. Why error is coming here? So product price okay, GST okay, and the discount okay. Let me. I don't have discount. Let me delete the discount. Okay. Now calculate. This program will not give the error. This program will not give the error now. Okay. Let me play this. Product price is there. Product discount GST is there, and let me give. I want to print the total price finally. Print of total price. They are not offering the discount. They are actually adding the GST only. They are actually adding the GST only. Now I want to calculate the total price of the product. Enter product price. Enter product price input of. Sorry, we forgot about it. Input of. And this also should be having an input of. We want to take work out with the inputs, right? So finally execute the program. Enter product price. Product price something like 45,000. And GST they got added something like 5,000. GST they got added something like 5,000. Now this is the right value or wrong value?
Wrong value.
Why it is coming wrong value?
It's concatenating.
It's concatenating. Why? Because of input always take string data. Why? Because of input always take input method. Input method input method always take string kind of data. Even you enter a number, it take a string kind of data. It means what? Finally output, how output is calculating here. So you are 45,000 taking by string, and you are 5,000 also taking by string. That is a problem. That is a problem. So here string concatenation is going to be happening. That is the reason 45,000 and 5,000 added. But my requirement is what? My requirement is I want arithmetic operator. I want to work like a I want to work plus like a arithmetic operator. See, plus have two behaviors. When this plus is playing with strings, it is working as concatenation operator. When this plus is playing with numbers, maybe a float, it may be an integer. When this plus is working with the numerical value, then it works as arithmetic operator. This time plus symbol is working as concatenation operator. That is the main problem. So I want to rectify the problem. How to rectify this problem? Anybody tell me?
Define variables for type of data.
Yes, I just want to convert. I just want to convert that string into the integer. How the conversion will be happened? Last class we discussed. There is a concept called typecasting. I
Yes.
already discussed about the typecasting. So whatever the value we are taking, I need to convert that into the int of or float of, whatever it may be. Int of or float of. Okay, let me convert this as int of. GST also please convert into the int. Okay, execute again the program. Now same values I want to enter, 45,000 and 5,000. Then finally what? Same thing is happening. What? Int of. Okay.
Sir, concatenating thing you have entered in the comment section. So 4,500 plus 5,000.
Oh, should keep the comment for this. Now, okay, let me have let me play one more time. Okay, now 45,000 plus 5,000. Now it is giving a proper value 50,000. Now it is giving proper value 50,000. Is this program is correct? Now this program is correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the same program they got offer. They are giving some offer. Okay, let me take a one more value. Product discount. They are providing some discount also. Product discount. Okay, again input of Python is very simple. Just try to understand. It is very simple. You have to understand the program. That's it. Enter product discount. Enter product discount. This time I'm adding the discount also. When I'm having the discount, I just want to make the minus discount, minus product discount. Then finally total price I can able to calculate. Okay, product price is 45,000, and they are providing they are adding GST 5,000, and they are giving the offer like 10,000. Discount is 10,000. Okay, now total price of the product will be, now the total price of the product will be 40,000 only. 40,000 only. Why? Because of 45 plus 5, 50, 50 minus 10, 50 minus 10, 40. Finally, I get the price, total price, a proper price. Yes, this calculator is working. This calculator is working. Am I clear, guys? Please mute yourself. Am I
Yes,
clear
sir.
here? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Sometime. Okay. Mostly the calculators are not like this. Mostly the calculators are not like this. Okay, let me have product price, okay. Product GST in percentage. Enter product GST in percentage. In percentage. Product discount also should be in the percentage mode. Percentage. Enter product discount in percentage again. In percentage again. Then this is later. This is also later. Now, whenever you are having the percentage, for example, a percentage is a kind of, for example, they are adding a GST percentage 18%, but they are providing the discount offer 20%. GST adding is 18%, discount is 20%. Okay, almost they are removing the GST and some more extra offer also they are providing. This kind of situation, what I need to do? Product price is something like 50,000. 50,000 on top of the 50,000. On top of the 50,000, I want to add GST 18%. I want to add GST 18%. I am giving the discount as 20%. Now what I can do? How I can able to calculate the total price now? Anybody please tell me.
Change the data type of GST percentage and discount percentage.
Data type, no. Okay, for example, okay, 18% on top of the 50,000. What is 18%? Okay, let me take product price is 1 lakh. Let me take product price is 1 lakh. 1 lakh on top of 1 lakh. What is 18%? 1 lakh మీద 18% ఎంతమ్మా?
18,000.
18,000.
18,000.
18,000 జిఎస్టీ యాడ్ చేస్తున్నాడు అండ్ 20,000 తగ్గిస్తున్నాడు.
2,000.
ఓకే, సో అంటే 18,000 అది నాకు ఎలా వస్తుంది? హౌ ఐఎమ్ గెటింగ్ 18,000 హియర్? ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఐ నీడ్ టు క్యాలిక్యులేట్ 18,000, రైట్? సో అంటే పిఆర్డి జిఎస్టీ వాల్యూ వీ నీడ్ టు క్యాలిక్యులేట్. GST value we need to calculate. How to calculate this GST value? Basic. When you go to the shop, product price into
18,000.
GST percentage. No. GST percentage divided by 100. Divided by 100. This is correct. Original price into discount price divided by 100. Then you can get the value. What is the value? 18,000. Now here in this case you get the value like. Here in this case you can get a value like 18,000. Now I can able to easily add the value for the 1 lakh. Am I right? At the same time, I need to calculate the discount value also. PRD discount value. PRD discount underscore value. See, variables also I am writing properly. This is very important. You try to understand. How to calculate the discount value? Again, you entered 20%. PRD price into discounted percentage. PRD discounted percentage. PRD discount. PRD discount percentage. Already variable is there. Percentage divided by 100. Then what is the value you can get here? What is the value you can get here? 20,000. Then final price of the product I can able to easily calculate, right? Final price of the product. How to calculate the final price then?
Product GST value plus
Product price.
product
Okay. Product price plus product GST value, not percentage. Product GST value I want to add. Okay. Value minus discount value I want to make minus. Okay. Copy here. Paste here. Finally you may get a proper value. Okay, so the same 1 lakh 18%, 20% I can say here. 1 lakh అనేది 10 lakh 1 lakh. Okay, then percentage enter product GST in percentage. GST percentage they got added 18%. Enter discount they are offering for you. Okay, 22% discount they are providing, for example, a festival offer. Okay, the final price of the product you can able to get very easily. So what's the problem? Any issue we are doing here? I'm not printing the final price. Print the final price. Finally, I got purchased. Okay, finally, total price is total price after GST and discount is ఏంటండి ఫైనల్ ప్రైస్ ఇక్కడ వేరియబుల్ ఏంటి ఫైనల్ ప్రైస్ కదా that's it. Okay, now the same values you can apply 1 lakh percentage added, GST percentage added 18%. Now discount percentage they are giving 22%. Finally total price of the product after GST and discount is 96,000. Am I right?
Yes, right.
Yeah.
Yes,
you
right, sir.
give you give different values. Okay, so product price is something like okay 34,500. GST I'm adding like 4% discount, 4% GST, and they are offering 10% discount on the product. Finally your product is 32,430 rupees. Okay, after adding the GST, after giving the discount, you are getting the product on 32,430. So you can play with this. This is the price calculator with percentages. If you want, I can give the. Okay, I asked your mail IDs. Nobody send your mail IDs. I want to share the notes. Notes is ready. All the notes is ready. And the recorded videos anyway, I am uploading in the YouTube only. And if you want anybody notes, you can share the email IDs to the Mohansh Technologies. Okay. So this is the product price calculator with the GST with percentages. This is a heading, and for this calculator, that's it. These are the two programs actually I want to tell on inputs. Okay, we are actually playing with inputs. On top of the inputs, we are working on this. Okay, let me go with the data types now. Am I clear these programs? Anybody have confusions on this? Any queries and
No, sir.
questions so far?
Clear, sir.
Okay, ఎవరికన్నా queries ఉన్నాయా? All people are Telugu people or Hindi people also there? Hindi, English. Okay, right. Everybody clear, right? I can go with some other concept like data types. In Python, what are the different kind of data types we have? I want to explore the data types one by one inequally. Okay, there are multiple kind of data types. The first data type is integer data type. X is equal to 10. What is the type of X? What is type of X? I can get
Integer.
Integer.
okay. Let me go one more thing. Okay, Y is equal to 34.567. Type of Y. Type of Y. What is the type of Y then?
Float.
Exactly, float. Okay, so is qualified or is married. Is married is equal to a Boolean value I'm giving to. Okay, what is the type of is married?
Bool.
Exactly.
Bool.
Boolean.
Exactly.
Boolean.
Right. Fine. Now I want to give the different things now. Okay. S is equal to or name is equal to I say Mohansh. What is the type of name here?
String.
String.
str string. Okay, I can specify double quotes. Mohansh. Previously I'm working with the single quotes. This time I'm working with the double quotes. What is the type of the name again?
String.
Previously I'm working with the single quotes, and this time I'm working with the double quotes.
String.
Again it is string. I already told you string you can define with 4 kind of situations: with single quotes, with double quotes, with the triple single quotes. Mohansh. And the type of name. Whatever you want, you can use. You can use single quotes, you can use double quotes, you can use triple single quotes. But Java string will be defined only with the double quotes. But Python is flexible. Oh my god, what happened? Type not defined. Okay, spelling mistake. Now this is also string. This is also string. Okay, name is equal to triple double quote open and Mohansh triple double quote close. Now type of name, type of name, again string. Finally, so you can define the string like this. Okay, string can play with different kind of situations. For example, I want to, okay, let me take a name into 4. Let me go with the name plus name. What happened here? Name plus name. What will be the output here? Name plus name. What will be the
Name.
name output? Mohansh. Okay, let me give this guy. Name plus name means Mohansh will come. Okay, so plus working like a concatenation. Here what is happening actually? String concatenation. String concatenation. Here actually happening with the string concatenation. That is the very reason Mohansh will come. Okay, let me have a name into 4. Can I do like this? Can I do like this? Name into 4. Name is a string and multiplying with the integer.
No, it's not possible because
Mohansh 4.
Is it possible or not?
Mohansh 4.
Only 2 people are talking. Remaining people, what happened? Name into 4. This is possible or not?
It's possible, sir.
Possible.
In other programming languages, it is not possible. But in Python, it is possible. In Python, it is possible. Name is multiplying 4 times. Name actually printing for you 4 times. It is possible, sir. Okay, but only these two operators, plus and into, can work or play with the strings. Some other operators like minus, name minus 4, name minus 4. No way. No way. Name divided by 4. Name divided by 4. No way. No way. Not possible. Not possible. Unsupported operand. Okay. Name percentile 4. Percentile. Reminder value. Not possible. Name double star 4. Double star is what? Power. Double star is power. Power operator also not possible. But what is possible? For the string, what are the operators possible? One is the plus,
Plus.
one is the into. Plus is working as a concatenation operator. Into is working as a duplicating values. Like four times I want to go for the string. Okay, I want to print 4 times this particular string. Am I clear? This one. Let me have name into name into name. Name into name. No, this is not possible. String into string not possible, sir. String into number is possible. String into string is not possible. Okay. Name into 7. 7. How many times name will print?
7.
Exactly 7 times. That is a way you understand the name. Okay. Finally, one more time, I need to play with the name. What are the different kind of operations can perform on the strings? Name is there. Now I want to name dot name of 1 or name of 0. What is the name of 0? M.
M.
What is the meaning of this is basically, let me tell you. Basically, string is actually storing with the list kind of. It's a series. It's a series. Okay, I have the Mohansh, right? So Mohansh is going to be storing in memory like this. like this. Mohansh is going to be storing in the memory like this. Okay, so here this is the indexes. This is the 0 index. This is the 1 index. This is the block. This is the 2 index. This is a stack. This is a stack, serial stack. This is the one more index. This is the one more index. This is the one more index, and this is the one more index. And this index is basically 0. This index is basically 1. This index is basically 2, and this 3, 4, and 5, and 6. If you want to pick up the values, if you want to access the values, I can able to access the value 0. I can able to access the value 0 to 2. I can able to access the value 0 to 4. I want to access the last value. Yeah, that is also possible. Everything is possible in the strings. But if you want to append something, you cannot do. Append is not. String is basically immutable. String is immutable. What is the concept of mutability and immutability?
Immutable means we cannot change or modify that.
Yes, we cannot change or modify. We
Mutable
can't.
means we can
Yes, we
change
can't
it.
change. We can't change or modify. Okay. It means I cannot able to append. I cannot able to not append, not insert, not insert, not remove also. I cannot able to append the value. I cannot able to insert the value. I cannot able to remove the value from the string. But what I can perform, I can do concatenate. I can able to do concatenate, and I can able to make multiply with numbers. Multiply with numbers. And number means it is not float, it is only integers. And one more thing I can do, I can able to access the values, access, or I can do split. I can able to split. Okay, these are the different kind of operations I can able to perform on top of the string. I am talking about only string. What kind of operations you can able to perform on strings I'm telling today. I'm talking about the string only. What kind of operations you can able to perform on top of the string I'm doing now. Okay, let me go slowly. Okay, so only M is coming. Only M is coming from this. I want name of one. What is the name of one, guys? Please tell me.
Oh, sir.
Sir,
Oh, right. Okay. Then name of -1. Name of -1.
H.
-1. H. Not this H. Not the first H. Last H. Why? Because this is the last index. If you want to access the values from the last index, you need to go with the -1, -2 like that. Last index. Okay. Where is the paint? So here this is going to be storing like this now. But whenever you want to access the values from the last, whenever the values you want to access from the last, H is -1, S is -2, this one -3, like that. Reverse index is starting with -1. Forward index starting with a 0. Reverse index starting with a -1. You have to remember this. Okay, let me play with some other operators. Okay, name of okay 0 to 3. Name of 0 to 3. What is the name of the 0 to 3? MOH. MOH. Okay. Name of 0 to -3. Mohan. 0 to 3 is different. 0 to -3 is different. Okay. This is the starting index. This is the ending index. I want to make a reverse of the string. How to make a reverse of the string? Anybody? -1. Is it reverse? Huh? But in other programming languages,
Yes.
you need to write a big program for this. In other programming language, you need to write a big program for this. Reverse. But here we can able to do easily reverse. Okay. So some other operators on the string. Length of the string. What is the length of the name? What is the length of the name?
7.
8. 8. By 8. By 8. Actually, length is starting with the 1. Length is basically starting with 1, sir. 1 means what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 characters are available. 7 characters are available. Okay. Length is not starting with the 0. Length is actually counting how many number of students available in the classroom. But students are sitting with the indexes. Students are sitting with the indexes. But whenever I'm calling the students, whenever I'm checking the length of the students, I need to calculate from 1. Length calculate from 1. Length calculate from 1. Okay. Index calculate from. Index calculate from. This is very, very important when you understand this kind of multiples. Okay. Index calculate from 0. Length calculate from 1. Index calculate from 0. That you need to remember. Okay, if you want to check about the string kind of operations, or what are the string kind of operations, Python string methods, you search like this. Python string methods, you can search like this. W3 school is giving, and documentation. When we go with the documentation, string related methods will come. All the string related methods will come. Documentation is a little bit tricky one. Okay, let me go with the W3 schools. These guys are giving very friendly way. You want to do capitalization. You want to give the capitalization, all the characters converting into the uppercase. Capitalize. Can you have n number of methods here available? You do practice with all these methods. I am actually giving only few methods, but you can practice with all these methods. Okay. Let me go with some more methods on string. Okay. What is the name? Mohansh. I can go with the capitalization. Capitalize. Yeah, capitalize. Name error. Capitalize method. What is the wrong with the capitalize method? Okay, name dot capitalize. That is one. Name dot capitalize. You not do like this. Off is not working. Name dot capitalize. When I say name dot capitalize, not working. Why? Why it is
Why?
not working? You need to store into the value now. Okay. You need to store into the name again. Name is equal to name dot capitalize. Finally, I'm printing the name. No, not working.
Only first letter is turning into capital, not all the letters.
Oh, that is the reason. So,
Yeah.
capitalize means correct. Capitalize means first letter is small letter. Okay, first letter is capital letter, but name dot upper. The same way I'm checking with the uppercase.
Okay.
Yeah, this is working.
Yeah. Okay.
It is working. Upper. All the letters are coming to the uppercase. Name dot lower. Name dot lower. Yes, it is working fine. Yeah, M also converting to the lower case. Okay, whenever you go like this, you can do what? And I am just checking.
And
There is
noise,
a
some background noise is coming from some other students or someone, I don't know. Lot of
oh,
noise.
one second, one second. So, please mute yourself, everyone. All the people, please mute yourself. Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks.
Right. Let me go. One more thing. There is a character I want to find out, like A. There is a character A in Mohansh or in name. I'm just checking. I'm just checking. This is false. This is in operator. In operator. Availability. A is a character. I'm asking it is available in the name or not. It is not available. False. Okay. I'm just checking the character M in name. What is the output, guys? Guess. Mohansh M. I'm asking it is available in the name or not.
True.
It will give true. True. Obviously true. So in this way, you can try to work out with the operator. So I'm trying to working with the appending kind of concept. Name dot append. Name dot append some hi message I want to append for the name. Hi message I want to append for the name. I'm trying to appending something. Not possible. Append is not possible. Yeah, let me try to insert something. Name dot insert at 0th position. I need to insert a character called A. I'm trying to inserting something. No, not possible. Name dot pop. I want to remove the last character from the name. I'm trying to removing the last character from the name. Not possible. Pop is not working. Okay. Name dot delete m, a character I'm deleting. Not working. So few operations are not performing on the string. Only few operations can perform on the string. Why? Because of, you can see this diagram. You can see this diagram. I am clearly saying that. What I am saying here, string is immutable. We cannot change or modify. Not append, not insert, not remove. Only operations can perform what? You can do concatenation, you can do multiply with numbers, you can able to access. The split operation also will work out. I will show the split operation. Name dot split. Split with what? I just want to split like this. Okay. I don't have spaces, Kada. Let me do one thing. There is a message I'm taking now. There is a message. Okay. Hello all, how are you? Good morning. So there is a big string available now. Okay, what the operation I want to perform here is message dot split with what you want to do. Split with space. Split with comma. Let me do the comma. Split with comma. You can have. Can you see? Hello all, how are you doing? This is splitting. Split with the hyphen. It is taking in the array. Why it is taking in the array? I don't have multiple. Okay, I don't have split with space is there now. Let me have commas. Let me have commas. Split with comma. Yeah, it is working now. So when you have the bigger string and when we have commas inside, and I want to split the total string, with the unique things. Okay, the first word, second word, third word, all these words are going to be storing into the a bigger array. So this is kind of list actually. In the list, hello is actually taking as individual string, all is taking as individual string, how is taking as individual string, r is taking as individual string, u is taking as individual string. Like this, all the strings are actually splitting like this. So you practice all the string methods and you follow the documentation, you follow the things, and you practice more and more for interview purpose. Next, come to the list operations. How we can define the list. For example, I am taking names. Names. Okay, let me take a few names here. Okay, Jyoti, Jyotika, Mohansh, Srini, Saumya. Okay, fine. Let me print the names. Let me take the type of the names. What is the type of the names here? What is the type of names? Anyone?
String type.
No, no, no. It is list. It is list. List. List is a series. Okay, let me do one thing. I will save this diagram. Desktop, Python, Day-4. This is a string architecture. Now I want to take a list. Now I'm taking the list. Okay, just go with the list now. Okay, I will be having a few values here. Okay, let me have the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. List is actually mutable. List is actually mutable. This is the 0, this is the 1, this is the 2. Indexes. I'm trying to writing the indexes here. And the list is mutable. What is the concept of mutable?
Mutable means we can
So
change.
change or modified.
We can change, we can modify. We can change, we can modify based on the requirement. In requirement, sometime you want to modify the data, change the data, then you need to take the list. Okay, we can change, we can modify. Means what kind of operations I can able to perform on this? I can able to add or append values. I can able to insert values. I can able to pop values. I can able to remove values. I can able to these are the operations can perform on the particular list.
The
Okay.
pop means update, huh?
Pop means last index will remove. Last index will remove. Okay, I will show programmatically, then you understand what is a pop method.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so let me go with the list now. We'll play with the list now. Okay, this is okay, and yeah, I want to add these names and names plus names. Can I do like this? Concatenating list plus list concatenation, list plus list concatenation, exactly working.
Yes, sir.
Jyotika, Mohan, Srini, Soumya, Jyotika, Mohan, Srini, Soumya. This concatenation is working. At the same time, I want to multiply with 4 or 5 times. This number of list is actually multiplying with the number. Okay, fine. Anyway, I can able to access the index from the list. Names of 0. What is the names of 0? It's Jyotika. Names of 1. Names of 1. I can do it. Names of 0 to 2, or names of reverse. I want to make reverse. Let me print names. Names. Okay, reverse. Jyotika will go last. Soumya come first. Okay, this is the reverse operation. Same like a string. Same like a string. -1. Who is the -1? Who is the -1? It's a Soumya. Let me go. Names dot append Kiran. Names dot append Kiran. I want to append Kiran to the names. What happened? I want to oh my god, 3 times work. Okay, Kiran. Kiran is adding appending number of times. Huh? Actually, I clicked 3 times. Can you see this? How many times of you are clicking, that number of time append method is working. Kiran is adding number of times. Okay, I don't want Kiran that many times. Okay, Kiran first, last Kiran will go. How to delete the last Kiran? How to delete the last Kiran? Just pop. One Kiran gone. One more Kiran I need to remove. One more Kiran I need to remove. One more time you press. I want to remove one more time. I need to press. That's gone. Kiran gone. Completely Kiran gone. Okay, I want to insert Kiran at 0th index. I want to insert Kiran at 0th index. Append is working, pop is working, sir. Append is working, pop is working. Append means at last index append is happening. Pop means from the last index I am removing. Now, sir, last index okay, appending is okay, popping is okay, but I want to insert, sir. How to insert the thing? Names dot insert. Insert. What you need to insert and where you need to insert. I
First
want to insert.
position.
I want to insert Kiran at 0th position. Maybe I need to give the position first. Okay, that's wrong. That's wrong. Position first, then value.
Okay, that's right.
That's right. Okay. Uh, please call the names again. Okay, I pressed it 2 times. That is a problem. No problem. I want to remove the Kiran from the 0th index. How to remove the Kiran from the 0th index? Okay, 2 Kirans got added. 2 Kirans got inserted. Tell me, sir.
Names dot remove.
Names dot remove at the 0th index. Remove 0. Remove 0 position. God. Let me show. It will not work
It's
out.
asking value, sir. Remove of value.
Exactly. Kiran. Okay. Totally Kiran got removed. 2 times I pressed. So in this way you can able to append the value. You can able to pop the value. You can able to insert the value, and you can able to remove the values like this. Am I clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
So this is the way you can able to work with. I am trying to exploring the string and string methods, and I'm trying to exploring the list methods. Then what about the tuple? What about the set? What about the dictionary? These are all the things we have to do in coming classes. One by one, all data type exploration. Exploration, nothing but what? We are performing some methods related to that particular object kind. And tomorrow you get understand what is the differences between this list and the tuple. And what is the difference between the tuple and set? What is the difference between the list and tuple? List and set. Then what is the difference between the list versus tuple versus set? You take string also. String versus list versus tuple versus set. That bigger diagram I will draw for you, and I will write down all the points, and you can do practice on top of the different kind of methods on the Python. Python is simple or complicated? If you know the methods, if you know about the
Simple.
behavior of the object, if you know about the behavior of the object, if you know about the methods, Python is dead easy. Python is simple. If you feel like complicate, I cannot able to do anything, guys. Okay. Python is simple. But when you compare with another programming languages, Python is very simple, that easy. Just follow the methods, follow the behavior of the object, practice a number of times, you become success. Please like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel. People are not commenting on the video. At least this kind of students also not commenting. Please comment on the videos. Okay, like the videos, comment on the videos, and share with your friends and colleagues. Mohansh is providing all the technologies free. All the programming languages are free in YouTube or classes, whatever it may be. We are taking a number of sessions free of cost, and we are uploading the number of videos inside it. And very soon we are going to be starting this blockchain with Python and quantum computing with Python, QISKit. These are the things I want to explore for you. Please like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel. Have a good day. We'll meet again tomorrow. Tomorrow we will be exploring about the tuple and set. Have a good day. Bye guys. Any
Thank you.
questions so far? Any questions so far?
No, sir, it's clear.
Right. We'll meet again tomorrow. Bye for now.
Thanks.
Thank you, sir.
Bye. Thanks. Thank you.
Please go ahead with comments and likes.